So, why are you doing this?
I'm trying to impress Liz.
You're trying to impress her by stuffing your face?
Yeah. I think she likes that kind of thing.
Could the contestants please make their way to their positions?
Good luck.
On your marks, get set, go! Contestant 2 is powering away. Look at him go. He's already consumed 3 tons of spaghetti. This is incredible, people. But wait, contestant 1 is catching up. The reigning champion is becoming close competition to this spaghetti-eating maniac. There even. Will contestant 2 have enough effort to make it out front? 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Yes, he will. Contestant 2 is the winner with 300 tons of spaghetti in 30 seconds.
Hey. That was really good eating that there.
Well done. Thanks, sister.